What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to view your multiplayer, battle royale and zombies game history in Call of Duty Mobile. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up Call of Duty Mobile and tap on the player profile icon on the top left of your main menu. From here, navigate to the History tab. This will allow you to preview your multiplayer, battle royale and zombies game history, starting with the most recent game at the top. When tapping on a game, you will see the scoreboard for each player. You can also see your earned XP, KD ratio and other stats of your game. You can even add players from your past lobbies from here and view the achievements and medals earned in each game. When tapping on Share, the game will create a screenshot which will allow you to save it to your local images. Back in your history settings, you can disable the Share Battle Results with Other Players option. This will prevent other users from viewing your match performance for the next games you play. For more information about the Call of Duty Mobile game history and its settings, make sure to follow my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.